Okay, here's my video review about the so-called zombie tractor that destroyed two vehicles in the Walmart parking lot. Well, I had to say the employee of Walmart likely let it go by himself on purpose. Yes, he likely did that on purpose, he or she. On purpose. You know? You know how bad that is? They're using it to destroy private and public property. They're using it to destroy people's vehicles. They'll likely be put in jail or fired. You know, they're likely going to be fired for doing such a thing. Those two vehicles are mashed up. Insurance claims to that one employee. A lawsuit to Walmart, right? A lawsuit. A lawsuit. I got to say a big lawsuit. Yes, a very, very deep, big lawsuit. It won't be easy. You know what happens, you know? You know what happens? There's gonna be a big lawsuit against Walmart. And that's just 3 kilometers north of Toronto? Yeah. If I was there, I would have filmed it too, but I would have gotten much closer. I would have gotten much closer to everything. I would have basically been trying to jump onto that tractor. I would have tried to stop it myself. I would have actually done that. You know what the brakes look like. I would have hit the brakes immediately. That's what I would have done. So, well, that employee is likely going to lose his job. He's going to be charged with, I don't know what the heck he's going to be charged with, but he's going to be charged with something. Well, I gotta go. Laters. If you got any more footage of that, you got some other demolition derby of Walmart Destroy Nation stuff, post it! I encourage you to post it. Thank you for watching.